I've been wanting to make some microwave egg bites. I found this at Walmart. I cannot wait to make these. Let's get started. Okay, it says prepare your preferred omelet recipe in a bowl using 2 to 3 eggs. Fill the compartment no more than half to allow the egg to rise. Okay. That's 1. 2, 3. Here is my whisker. Okay, I am cutting up some tomato to go inside of the eggs. Now I am going to cut up some red bell pepper to go inside it, inside the egg bites. Yeah, mine is gonna be like a omelet. Yes, in about what, 5 minutes, I believe. Now I'm going to cut up a couple slices of green pepper, and if I have an overabundance amount, I can always put it in a storage bag and package it, and then just put it all inside in the mold and then cook it real quick before I leave out in the morning. Yeah, so I don't worry about if I make too much of this. I can make it again. Oh, I hope this is good. Now I'm going to cut up me a slice of onion. 2 slices of onion. Yeah, I will have some. Enough to make a mold, definitely. So I can't fit all of this. And I think about 4 molds. Now I'm going to add some ham and cheese slices in there from Oscar Mayer. Oh, that makes it convenient. I already got the cheese in there. So I'm going to cut up, scoop those ingredients over. I'm going to cut that up. Small slices. Here's all my ingredients. I'm getting ready to pour it in the mold now. All right, they said pour half so you can have enough room. I think I might have some egg left. No, that's good. 4. Okay. All right, let's put some meat in there, ham and cheese. Ooh, I said I was gonna save some for tomorrow. The onions, tomatoes, red pepper. Ooh, this is gonna be good. It look good. Oh my goodness, I cannot wait. I don't know, I think I may have overfilled it a little bit. We'll see. Okay, I've got everything in. Ooh, that look good. I'm going to close it. Okay, let's set the timer for 3 minutes. Let's put it in the microwave. That topper right there. Let's put our Joey mold in there. Let's close it. So this is the 4 of them that came out. I already took a bite. It's good. It's delicious. Sure is. And here is, it comes out clean out of the mold. Microwave Joey egg bite for breakfast. Delicious. See you later. Bye.